पीएम गति शक्ति नेशनल मास्टर प्लान 21वीं सदी के भारत को गति शक्ति देगा।
India's $1.2 trillion Gati Shakti master plan is transforming the nation, but it can't run without data experts. These two logistics giants are currently scouting for analysts like you to manage massive geospatial and multimodal data streams right now. If you want to secure a high impact role in 2026, these are the specific companies which are hiring right now. But before applying for the job, make sure your resume is perfectly analyzed and tailored to the job application so that you get passed through the resume screening process. We help data analysts by providing detailed analysis of their resume. We score your resume based on 23 different criterias. We review each and every sentence, the keywords you have used, and based on our analysis, we are already receiving overwhelming response from our service buyers with average rating of 4.5 stars. In case if you wish to purchase the professional resume review service from us, the link to that is in the description of this video. Now let's go to the first job opportunity review for today. The first opportunity is for freshers and the role is for analyst PBI support at DHL. The job location is Maharashtra. In this position, you will mainly work on Power BI dashboards and reports for internal business teams. Your responsibility will be to understand requirements from internal stakeholders and convert those requirements into Power BI dashboards and visual reports. You will also need to resolve issues in dashboards and make improvements based on feedback from the users. Another important responsibility is presenting the insights from your dashboards. This can involve demo sessions or PowerPoint presentations to stakeholders. Apart from dashboard creation, you will also assist in resolving data quality issues by working with data stewards and subject matter experts. Now let's talk about the important skills required for this role. The most important technical skill include Power BI. You should be comfortable building dashboards and visual reports. The second one is SQL, needed for querying and managing data sets. The third one is Excel, especially for data cleaning, validation, and analysis. Apart from technical skills, communication is extremely important because you will be interacting with stakeholders to understand their data visualization needs. You will also be responsible for ensuring data accuracy and consistency across dashboards. Another important aspect of this role is data governance and confidentiality. Since dashboards may contain sensitive information, you must ensure data privacy and proper documentation of reports. So if you are a fresher who has a strong Power BI, SQL and Excel skills, this role is a very good entry point into business intelligence and analytics careers. Now let's go to job opportunity number 2. The designation is Senior Associate Site Merchandiser. Freshers can also apply for this role. The second opportunity is from Amazon India. The job location is Bangalore. In this role, your primary responsibility is to manage and improve product content on Amazon's website. You will work on planning and executing merchandising strategies across product pages, category pages, and promotional emails. Another key responsibilities will be analyzing website traffic and customer engagement metrics to evaluate the performance of campaigns and content. You will also collaborate with technical teams, marketing teams, global category teams to launch new features or product listings on the website. Now let's discuss the skills required for this role. The important technical skills include Excel for analyzing traffic metrics and campaign performance, basic HTML or XML used for managing product page content, data analysis skills for evaluating KPIs and business performance. So apart from technical skills, Amazon expects candidates to have strong written and verbal communication skill, ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously, capability to work in fast-paced environments. If you are a fresher interested in analytics, e-commerce and digital merchandising. This role can help you gain strong experience in online business operations and data analysis. Let's go to job opportunity number 3. This opportunity is also provided from Amazon India. The role is catalog analyst based out in Bangalore. This role is focused on data analytics and operational reporting. You will be responsible for data mining, reporting, analyzing operational data sets to support Amazon's business decisions. Your day-to-day responsibilities will include performing data mining and identifying defects in operational processes, preparing daily, weekly, or monthly reports, setting a performance evaluation metrics, standardizing operations and reporting processes. These roles require someone who is comfortable working with large datasets and transforming raw data into meaningful insights. Now let's look at the skills required. The first skill is SQL knowledge for querying and analyzing database, data mining and reporting skills, understanding the business intelligence tools and data modeling. You should also be comfortable working in fast-paced environment and complex technical context. This role is very suitable for freshers who want to start a career in data analytics within a large technical company like Amazon itself. Now let's move to job opportunity number 4, which is for experienced candidates. The designation is data engineer and analyst. This role is provided by DHL and the job location is Chennai. This role focuses on building and managing large-scale data pipelines used for financial analytics. Some of the key responsibilities include designing scalable data pipeline using Python and Kubeflow, integrating enterprise data sources like TM1 or Cognos into Snowflake databases, preparing datasets for AI and machine learning models. You will also perform deep analytical studies to identify trends and financial insights. Another important responsibility is building interactive dashboards using Power BI to support business teams. Now let's look at the skills required for this role. The key technical skills include Python, SQL, Snowflake, and Kubeflow. You will also have you should also have experience with data modeling, ETL pipelines, and machine learning data preparation. The role requires minimum 3 years of experience in data engineering or analytics. Let's go to job opportunity number 5, which is which is again given by DHL. The designation is manager process mining. The location is Mumbai. The role focuses on analyzing business processes using process mining tools and data analytics. Your responsibilities will include using tools like Celonis or ARIS to visualize and analyze business processes, performing root cause analysis to identify process inefficiencies, creating process maps, dashboards, and analytical reports. You will collaborate with IT teams, data teams, and business teams to identify opportunities for improvement. The key skills required is SQL expertise, experience with BI and process mining tools, strong understanding of statistics and data storytelling. This role requires 5+ years of experience in data analytics or business intelligence. Now let's go to job opportunity number 6 for today. Sixth opportunity is provided by Amazon. The designation is catalog lead and it is based out in Bangalore. This role focuses on improving the quality of product data and enhancing the customer experience on Amazon's platform. Your responsibilities will include conducting research on user experience and product listings, performing data analysis to identify patterns and quality issues, creating insights for reports and recommendation for product improvements. You will also work with product engineering and product management teams to improve catalog systems. The most important skill required is to have an experience with e-commerce catalog systems, strong Excel and data analysis skills, knowledge of SQL or Python is needed. So that's all for today. So thank you so much for watching today's video. All the job application links along with the professional resume review purchase link are in the description of this video. Go through it and apply for this job. All the best for your applications.